Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screenshots not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart phone, just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart and click on restart. After restarting you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. After click on software update, so you will see click on download and install. After click on download and install, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on motion and gestures. After click on motion and gestures, you will see blank. Swipe to capture is here. Turn off this button and turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.